Hello everyone! Today we're going to make Punjabi chicken masala curry. This recipe is a blend of fresh and flavorful masalas and tender chicken, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To marinate the chicken, I have taken 5 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. The vinegar and yogurt will tenderize the chicken. Adding 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Adding 2 teaspoons of salt or add as desired. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Adding 1 kilo of chicken pieces. Mix and keep aside for 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we will prepare the gravy. In a pot or kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 8 cloves of garlic and about 2 inches of ginger. 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. 4 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 8 cashews and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. 2 cloves and 8 black peppercorns. Saute for a few seconds. Adding 3 sliced onions. We're only going to cook until the onions turn pink to very light golden. Don't make it too brown. Now remove from flame. Grind into a paste. In a pot or kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Add the onion and masala paste that we prepared. Cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Kashmiri chili will give a nice red color to the gravy. Adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Adding half teaspoon of salt or add as desired. Adding 3 crushed tomatoes. Mix and cover with the lid because the tomato will splatter. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add the marinated chicken. Mix everything. To cook the chicken, we will cover it with a lid. Open the lid and stir every few minutes. This will prevent the gravy from sticking at the bottom. Remove the lid once chicken is cooked. Lastly, adding 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1.5 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, some chopped coriander leaves. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.